everyone. I am Dinesh here, and now I am going to present a matter on a topic how to build real self confidence. At first, I want to talk what is the self confidence? A real trust on our capabilities and abilities and our judgment is the self confidence. And where it comes from? Where it comes from? We will discuss by four key points of this topic. The first is competence. First, this word competence, here a question comes. It can differentiate between the overconfidence and self-confidence. If we have the real competency to do a thing, it is small, it is a big, doesn't matter. But we have the competency. This is the self-confidence. Get better something. If we get better something then our previous activity, then belief follows naturally. We have a confidence naturally. And the second point, action beat waiting. We don't think, we should not think about this. My time will come, someone help me. No, we have to start from small things, from small activities. We can't wait over this. So small repeated action will faster the will build faster than reflection. And now the third point is self-talk safe states. If we talk about this point, self-talk safe states, it is a biological proven. It is our biological scientist says that it is a neuroplasty. That if we stretch our negative thoughts, then it convert a big negativity. If we stretch our positive thoughts, it convert the big positivity. That is the self-talk. And how to narrate setbacks. It provides us to better than the previous thing and capable. It become us capable to feel next time. And the fourth point is evidence over feelings. We have to collect, we have to record our past wins, our past activities. That is, if I take an example, everyone seen many times in our houses. We collect the trophies and our prizes in a frame. That is the our recordable wins and recorded wins. So if we evidence our feelings, then we have to capable our increase our self confidence. And now we have the four habits. Before I have discussed about the four key points, and now I will discuss the four habits that build our self confidence. First is reframe self talk. Then a very good line is written here. Replace I can't with I am still learning this. This is a very harmful word. I can't. We have to forget it, and we have to convert. I am still learning this. I am still learning this. And now the second habit: use your body. And how can we use our body? Yes, we can use our body. It doesn't matter how you look. Looking is matter, but feeling is prior than looking. If we feel better, we feel good, we feel capable, then it is more important than we are looking. And the third habit is what track small things. Earlier I discussed the evidence of feeling. So this is similar that key point, track small things. Keep a running list. We have to record our wins. We have to track our wins. Small wins. It before our use movement or stack movements. If we are going to take a stack movement or a use movement, then if we are if we are if we are go to our stack movement after seeing our small wins, then it makes us more confident. And now the last and fourth point is do the uncomfortable thing. If we expect all time the comfort, it can lose our confidence because confidence grow at the corner of the comfort. So we don't expect every time comfort. Now if I summarize my presentation and then then I would like to say, start with small one habit in a week, not a big habit, not a big term, not a big long term goal and all that. So start one small habit, not four at the once. And this is the more important. Notice and record every wins, because this is the way which makes us capable to do anything. And the last and third and last, expect discomfort. Earlier discussed about the comfort. Not expect. We should not expect every time to comfort, because confidence grow up of the age of the discomfort. So that's it. So about this.